In the last video, we created a formula to add the quantity available to the reorder advice report. This time, I want to see the value of the future quantity available. Here's one way to do that. Like before, I'll click on the column chooser icon to open it. As a reminder, any fields I want to use in my formula must be in the visible order pane. Since I don't see price, I'll click on quantity available and then search for price. Double-click to add it, and I'll be all set. Now I can click Create Custom Formula. I'll call this Value Future Quantity Available and click OK. In the expression editor, I'll start building my formula by finding quantity available in the center pane. I'll then add quantity on order and price. Notice by using the quantity available, we used a formula we created before. But also keep an eye out for any syntax errors. These are helpful indications that something needs to be fixed. In this case, I need to add a plus sign and an asterisk to tell the system how to do the math. Since there's no error, I'll click OK to save my formula. Don't forget to add your new formula to the visible pane. We've all done that before. And while you're here, if needed, you can set the number of decimals. Now I'll click OK to save the change to my report. In my case, the columns came in compressed. So I'll expand them and then do a gut check on the math. If I just look at quantity available, which is just over 1,000, times 5, that should be somewhere around 5,000, and it's only showing 1,098. So I've got something wrong with my math. I'll go back into Column Chooser, highlight my formula, and click Edit Formula. I don't want to change the name, so I'll just click OK. And here's where my math lessons should have come in handy. I forgot to add the order of operations. So I will click at the very beginning and add an open parentheses. Notice that the system automatically gave me a closing parentheses, but that's not where I want it. So I'll delete it and I'll re-add it just before the asterisk. That formula looks better. So I'll click OK to save it and OK to save the change to the report. Now another quick gut check shows me that 1,093 times 5 should be over $5,000. What formulas are you going to try on your reports? Don't be afraid to keep editing and checking the formula until you get it right. If you found this helpful, check out our other videos to learn more.